How to uninstall Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 or 11. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how can you uninstall Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. Now, while you cannot completely uninstall Microsoft Edge as it is the core Windows component, you could simply remove it from your install app list or disable it from starting automatically. Now, to do it, so what you have to do is you want to open up your settings, or you could simply go to Control Panel as well. So I'm going to go to the settings, and when you open it up, you want to go to the install apps or go to app section. And here, what next you want to do is go to install app, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and locate Microsoft Edge. So here it is. You want to click on the three dot icon and click on uninstall. So if you cannot do it so, or if you cannot uninstall it, so what next you can do is you can just close this tab, and then you could simply go ahead and make sure to disable it from starting automatically. So to prevent from starting automatically while signing into the Windows, you want to open the settings button. So you want to open up the settings once again, and then you want to go to accounts and then sign in options. So here you have the accounts. In the left hand side bar, you want to click that, and then what next you want to do is you want to go to sign in options. So click on the arrow icon, and once you go to the sign in option, what next you want to do is you want to toggle off the automatic apps. So you want to go ahead and locate it. So here on this page, here it is automatically. So you want to make sure to go ahead and toggle the button on. You want to make sure to go ahead and select or turn off, toggle the button for off. And once you've done it, so you want to select Microsoft Edge, and that should be able to help you out. However, what else you could also do is, while you're on this page, you want to go to the control panel. So open up the search box, type in control panel, and click the open button. As you've done it, so click on uninstall a program, and here you want to go ahead and locate Edge. Click on the uninstall button. That should be an alternative way to uninstall Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 or 11. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.